Here I'm making my second full-face recording on a Mac, a used Mac Pro, probably about 6 or 8 years old, that I bought from PC Liquidations, and it was really quite economical. I'm amazed that the device has such high quality. I've never really used a Mac Pro before, and I've discovered just in the little bit of use I've given to it since it arrived last night that it seems to be much easier to make a full-face video like this and also to record the screen, both of these using the Quicktime Player. So I'm just testing now after having tuned up the volume on the mic. I discovered how to do that with the settings, and to control the volume of the playback. Now I'm going to end this and I'm going to see, I can't remember if Quicktime Player gives me any editing capabilities, but it's really not too essential for that, for this type of recording. So let's see if I can figure out how to stop this now, and then I'll see what happens when I finish it up.